Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Simplified Invention. In this video, we are going to make a smart parking system by using ultrasonic sensor. Let's see how. It gives an alarm. The main components are ultrasonic sensor, HCSR04, an Arduino UNO, a 9V battery, a 9V battery connector with MX23 connector, and jumper cable male to female, a DC alarm. For the purpose of working, we are using a small RC controlled car. Before starting our project, let's program the main component Arduino UNO by using Arduino IDE. The program, let's see. It also given in the description. Now let's start the circuit. Connect 9V battery to the 9V battery connector. Taking jumper wire male to female for connecting ultrasonic sensor. Taking it. Now let's plug in the DC alarm onto the board. Now let's connect the ultrasonic sensor. Now I have given the circuit. Now let's connect the 9V battery to the DC input. It's working. Now let's set up the circuit to the RC car. First, let's fix the Arduino UNO and DC alarm. Facing in front of the car. We are placing our Arduino board here, and we will place the DC 9V buzzer here, and we will connect the we will keep the battery in front of the RC car. Now let's see the working of a smart parking system using ultrasonic sensor. Now let's see whether it's working or not. I have placed all the circuit on the top of the car. Let's see. I'm keeping an obstacle. It gives us sound. By this way, we can prevent the car damage while parking the car. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share, subscribe our channel Simplified Invention and click the bell icon to get the immediate notification when we upload any videos.